Channel, this is Ashanah'M back with a new video, and today I'm going to do something super simple. My freaking hands are like, okay. I'm going to do something super simple. I'm going to do, I know I do a lot of dramatic looks, eyeshadow, lashes, winged eyeliner, and a lot of you are just beginning with the makeup. So I came up with this simple makeup tutorial where you have no eyelashes, no eyeshadow, and no lipstick. Because I feel like, you know, it's nothing wrong with doing natural makeup. Me personally, I love dramatic looks. I love the pop and highlight. I love the eyeshadow. I love all of that stuff. But I have to accommodate those who love to do the natural look and still look glowy, highlight still popping. So what I'm going to do today is a nice natural tutorial. Like I said, no eyelashes, no eyeshadow, and no lipstick. So I'm going to give you guys different products I use. Basically, most of them are drugstore, so don't feel intimidated. And if I use something that's high-end, I'm going to definitely show you something that you can buy that is less expensive and you can still glow and still be popping or whatever. So without further ado, I'm going to go do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. But before we get into this video, I'm going to need you to hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up at the end of this video if you liked it, and as well comment something sweet down below. Share this video with your friends, your family, whoever, and yeah. Okay guys, I'm back. I did my eyebrows, and now what we're going to do is I'm going to do a little skincare. I already washed my face and moisturized. So what I'm going to do is, what I forgot to put on is my e.l.f. illuminating eye cream. I also have a video on how do I prep my skin before I do makeup, so I'm going to just put like a dab of this on both eyes because we do not want our under eye to dry up, because that's the most sensitive part of our skin, is the under eye, the eye area. And I also put some on the lids as well, just to keep them moisturized. If you're a person that's going outside with this makeup on, I advise you to put on sunscreen. I have the Cetaphil's Daily Moisturizer Sunscreen SPF 50 plus. I'm in Brooklyn, so it's hot. I'm not going outside today, and if I do, the sun is going to be down, so I'm not going to apply this on my face right now because I'm just doing this for the video, but I recommend you using sunscreen. I'm going to use the e.l.f.'s Oil Control Primer Mist. I'm going to let that sink in, and after that, I usually use my, if I'm in a rush, I use my beauty blender and I just, you know, press it into my skin. Look at my body. I have a video where I show you guys how do I prep my skin before applying makeup, like a little skincare video. I'm going to link that in the description box. I have it popped up in the cards, because skincare is very, very, very important, especially when you're a person that wears makeup all the time. Me personally, I wear makeup, especially when I'm going out or when I just want to upload an Instagram photo. I wear makeup, but like if I was like a person that went to school or work, I do not wear makeup Monday through Friday. Like Monday, if I'm going to work, like Monday through Friday, I'm not wearing makeup. I'm not getting up early to do that. No. On the weekend, facts. I'm gonna use my e.l.f.'s Prep and Blur Stick. This video is not sponsored by e.l.f. I wish, because I freaking love e.l.f. products. Y'all should tag them. Yeah. But like what I was gonna say. Yeah, this is good. I have a dupe to this. Well, it's not, this is the dupe, but usually I would use the Cover First Blurring Primer. This is a good O as well, but this is a sample. I'm pretty sure if I buy this, it's going to be like $30 for the big size. But this is $6, and it does the job just as good. So, I mean, it's up to you, your preference. So, what am I doing now? Okay, I'm putting on foundation. Now the foundation, I feel like with this look I would use a foundation that is like the best match foundation. My best match foundation is the NYX Total Control, and this is in the shade Mocha. Like, this is perfect. Like, I'm hands down perfect. Like, I can't even complain. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX brush. I also got the NYX brush to go with it. This is the 22 brush. And I'm going to just put this all over my skin. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I haven't used this in a while. This is a full coverage. I wanted to use something full coverage. I was going to go in with my Too Faced concealer, but that concealer is radiant, but it's not full coverage. So I wanted to use something that's full coverage, even though I'm doing a natural look, but I do want to look flawless. So what I'm going to do is use the Maybelline Fit Me. And this is in the shade 30 Café. Since this is a natural look, we're not going to just go off. Like, we're going to just put a little bit there, and we're going to just blend it out. We're going to put some on the nose, the chin, the forehead. I mean, everybody has their preference. Some people don't put it on their forehead. Some people don't put it on their nose. Whatever you do. So we're going to just blend that out. Usually in my... what you call that? In my dramatic looks, I feel like all my looks are dramatic. Like, in my dramatic looks, I definitely put more concealer because I want to be super bright and super full coverage. So, but this is a natural beat, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just put a little bit of concealer just to cover up the bags, if you have bags, or hollows like I do. Yeah. Everything is just a little bit, because you know this could be a little quick makeup you want to do when you are on the go. This could be a quick makeup as well. I also have a quick makeup. I have a quick glam, less than 10 minutes, on my YouTube channel as well. So I'm going to link all of that in the description box. So now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier powder and translucent, and I'm going to just basically dab some of that. I'm not going to bake. This is not a baking session. I'm going to just dab it under my eyes. Dab it everywhere. I'm going to also set your lids, because remember, you put concealer and you put foundation on your eyelids, so you don't want them to crease. So as well, put the powder on your eyelids. And you don't need a beauty blender if you don't want to. If you don't have a beauty blender and you don't want to set your eyelids, and you want to set your under eye, you can use a brush. I had the brush. I don't know the name of it. You can use like an e.l.f. blush brush. Do I have it over here? No, I do not. You can also use a brush to set your under eye if you can't afford a beauty blender. Or you could get the Real Techniques beauty blender. That is like, what, $7, and it's just as soft as the regular beauty blender as well. So, I mean, we all need to save. I'm all about saving money. I mean, if you have it, spend it. But if you don't spend it. I am going to refresh my face. I'm going to use the e.l.f.'s Dewy Setting Mist in Coconut Smells like coconuts. So I'm gonna use this on my face. Today we're gonna just do some bronzing. I forgot I even have this bronzing slash, what is this? A bronzing slash blush palette. And I really love, when I first bought this, I really love this chocolate shade. So I'm gonna bronze my face. I'm not gonna do any harsh contouring because, I mean, this is supposed to be natural. So natural is a minimum. So we're gonna keep it at a minimum. A dupe. It's not a dupe, but it's a if you want to do a different type of, I mean, this is $40. Don't judge me. This is $40. If this one was $6, so you can get the same amount of glow, the same amount of poppiness in this little tube. And this is in the shade Rose Gold. I have a couple of tutorials I use this in, but today I'm feeling a little fancy, so I'm going to use the Cover FX Custom Drops. And this is in Sunlight. As you guys know, I explain in my videos all the time that I do have my own eyelashes, meaning I have natural long lashes, so it don't take much for me to have these pops. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Big Colossal mascara. Go in with, I have two options. I have the Makeup Shayla times Colourpop. If you're into glitter lips, then this will be perfect for you. If not, then you can always go in with the clear gloss from e.l.f. Cosmetics, which is $2. I'm gonna do some glitter because, you know, I like being a little bit of dramatic. Like, so I'm gonna just add this on, not a lot, just to add some glow to the lips. Usually I add the lipstick to go with this and the lip liner, but we being natural today. Okay guys, you made it to the end of this video. You see how quick that was? Quick makeup tutorial. Nothing but natural. We don't have no lashes on, we don't have no lipstick, and we don't have no eyeshadow on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that I helped you all out. For those who don't like to wear the cake face all the time, I think I will re-rock this. Definitely. I think I will rock this maybe to like the beach, or I'm just on a quick little get it together type of thing. If you want to know the details on this wig, I do have a video on this wig. My best friend make all my wigs for me, and I have a wig series on my channel. So if you want any of your wigs done, I will definitely link everything in the description box. Hit her up, Facebook, Instagram, over there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button so you can get notified every time I upload, so you won't miss the party. I love you guys so much, and see you guys in the next video.